Dr. Nay say, do you sometimes consider living a caged life? Just like a zoo animal confined to a small home space, traffic jam and transport, and working in confined space. This scenario may seem bleak, but it's a reality for many who are unknowingly nurturing a condition known as metabolic syndrome. So, what is metabolic syndrome? Picture it as a cocktail of health conditions that, when combined, significantly increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. This ominous cocktail consists of several ingredients, each one adding to the dangerous mix. Firstly, there's increased blood pressure. Think of it as the pressure of the blood against your artery walls being consistently too high, usually exceeding 130/85 mmHg. Next, we have high blood sugar levels. This is often a sign of insulin resistance or prediabetes, a state where your blood sugar levels are teetering on the edge of normal and diabetic. Then, there's excess body fat around the waist. This is characterized by a large waist circumference, typically over 40 inches for men and over 35 inches for women. The fourth ingredient is abnormal cholesterol levels. This usually involves high levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood, and low levels of high-density lipoprotein, commonly known as the good cholesterol. Lastly, we have increased levels of triglycerides, marking high levels of these fats in the blood. Having just one of these conditions doesn't necessarily mean you have metabolic syndrome, but it does increase your risk of serious disease. If you have more than one, the risk becomes even greater. However, the story doesn't end here. There's a silver lining. Metabolic syndrome and its components can be managed and even prevented with certain lifestyle changes. Losing weight, regular exercise, a heart-healthy diet, and quitting smoking are all part of the action plan. In some cases, medication may be needed, and regular checkups with a healthcare provider are crucial to monitor and manage these conditions effectively. So even if you feel caged by unhealthy habits, remember, there's always a way out. It's never too late to make a change and unlock the door to a healthier life.